Hey guys, I just woke up. It's Friday, so it's my day off. I'm a little bit disappointed in how long I slept today because, I was up kind of late, so it kind of justifies it, but it's 12 o'clock right now, and I just woke up like a little bit ago, but I don't have anything to really do today, so it's okay, but I'm just sitting here for a little bit. I was checking my social media like I usually do in the mornings just to kind of wake up before I'm actually up and getting around. Just watching some HGTV right now, and then I'm gonna go get some breakfast in a little bit. For breakfast today, I'm having some mini bagels. They're the limited edition s'mores kind, and of course some cream cheese on them. So my closet is a damn mess right now. There are shoes all over the floor, and sorry you can't really see because my light bulb is out and my dad still hasn't changed it, but I've been trying to go through some of my clothes because we're moving and I have way too many clothes. Like, I really need to go through them. Like, I'm pretty sure this whole section of hangers right here, I haven't worn any of that in probably like 2 years. Like, they don't fit, they're not cute. Like, I just need to throw them away. And same with a lot of stuff that's in this tub that you can barely see, but it's like one of those big plastic tubs. That's literally just a ton of like regular t-shirts, but like I never wear t-shirts. Like, I'm not a t-shirt kind of girl. So like, I don't understand why I still have them. But, so I'm just gonna go through some of them and you guys can watch. So I have a huge pile of clothes right here. This is all heaping over my couch, but I'm just gonna start going through them. This is one of my hardest things because I really hate getting rid of clothes. Like, that's one thing I never do because I always think, well, what if I lose weight and I can fit into them like someday? Or what if I need it for something, but like I never will. Like, I haven't worn these clothes in so long. So I just need to get rid of them. Like, a lot of these are still from high school, like when I had to wear clothes like this that were like really high v-neck, or like not v-neck, but really high necks and stuff like that. So like this sweater I'll probably never wear. It probably doesn't fit anymore. So like I just need to get rid of them.
So I'm just gonna go through them and kind of tell myself the reasons why I shouldn't keep it and tell you guys too. See, like this black shirt is cute because it has these little cutout sleeves and I possibly could wear it to work, but I'm pretty sure I remember these were like really tight. So I guess I can try that one on again, but the sweater I definitely don't want. And like, this is, like, it's okay, it's cute, but like, I haven't worn it in so long. So like, see, this is where it starts to get tough, because like, now I see this and I'm like, well, that's kind of cute, like, I kind of want to keep it. So I guess I'll put it in the maybe pile. Maybe doing this video will help me not keep all of the clothes that I'm going to try to tell myself to keep. And now I won't wear this. I used to wear this a lot to work last year, but it's pretty tight. I know this sweater is way too small for me now. It's like shrunk in the middle. Like, see how it's like shorter in the front? Like, why did it do that? This is like see-through, and I just don't really like it because it's like 3/4 sleeve and it's tight. This dress is so cute, and I think I only wore it like once, but it was like 3 years ago, and I have gained some weight since then, and I definitely don't know that it does not fit. So I'll probably ask my friend Sarah if she wants it, because it's really cute, and it looks like something she would wear, so I'll probably put that in a different pile. And I'm sure I'll probably have her come over and go through all of this to see if she wants anything. And this is so cute. I wore this in my senior pictures. And it sucks to get rid of it, but like it's really short. Like, this is like a shirt to me now. But it's super cute, so I'll see if Sarah wants it. Sorry, I have like something in my throat and it's being real annoying. Okay. I don't think I want this. This dress is super cute and this also brings back memories. I wore this on vacation in Virginia Beach. It's the cutest little dress ever, but I know that it wouldn't fit me because, like, even if it fit me this way, which it probably would, literally every single dress I put on is too short in the back because I have a butt, and so every time I wear a dress, it's like the front is like an okay length, but the back is like hiked up like another like 3 inches, and then my butt is like about to hang out, so it's like super annoying that I can't find any dresses that I can actually wear in public without my ass hanging out. This is cute. Sarah will probably take it and love that and actually wear it. I try to think about that when I'm giving clothes away, is that like I know there's someone else out there that would actually wear it. And I don't want to like hoard it and not wear it when I know it could be giving joy to someone else. Like, I guarantee Sarah will love that shirt so much and like will want to wear it all the time. I have to keep this because I know it still fits. It says squad goals, and you know, I should wear this to country concert with like plaid wrapped around our waist. Dress pants. Like, when am I ever gonna wear dress pants again? Honestly, why do I have these? I always keep stuff just because I think I'm gonna use it someday, and then I never do. Like, this dress, I'm pretty sure Asha had in middle school. Like, middle school. And I still have it. Because she, like, didn't want it anymore, and then I took it, and then I think I wore it in high school, like, once for Easter. But, like, why do I still have this? I'm guaranteeing this is probably, like, a small. Yeah, it's like a size small. Like, I can't wear that. Sarah probably will. I'm just giving Sarah a whole new wardrobe, honestly. Don't care. Coming to the school Toledo. Too bad I hated my life when I went to school there, but I'll keep this just to sleep in. Ooh, my Poppy Wool shirt. See, like, I never wear this, but I'm not gonna get rid of it because, like, this was my very first concert I ever went to. And the shirt was hella expensive, so can't get rid of that yet. I know that's too small. Hey, I'm definitely keeping this. Lit AF with a little Christmas tree on it. I wore this on my birthday, like, after I was already done being cute for the day. I put that on. And my dad had a little party for me, and I wore that there because it was cold. This I wore in senior pictures. Like, that's like a belly shirt on me now. This I wore in senior pictures, I believe. Like, look how little that is. How did I wear that? I'm kind of getting sad, guys. Like, I hate getting rid of clothes. Like, it really makes me sad because I think about all the times that I wore these. Like, I wore this so many days in high school. Like, so many days. And it's so cute, but, like, it probably doesn't fit anymore. I don't even think, I bought this for country concert, and I don't think I ever wore it. And I know it doesn't fit, so. There you go, Sarah. And that's my whole pile, guys. All these hangers. So this is the pile of stuff that I'm going to keep or try on real quick. All of this is give to Sarah / sell, and there's 2 throwaways. So I think I did pretty good. It's a pretty good dent. I still have, I went through all this. This is all like newer stuff. That's Asha's stuff that she needs to come get. Those are new. Now I need to go through that tub.
So I did a pretty good amount of cleaning out my closet. This section right here is all my black and white and gray clothes for work. Then we go into kimonos, then into a bunch of dresses, then into rompers, then 2 hoodies, then these are just some shirts that I've got for like band shows and stuff. All of the clothes that were down there are gone. These are just winter coats now, and I still need to go through my shoes that are all over the ground, but that is everything that's in there right now. So I feel pretty good about it because most of these clothes I actually do wear or I just bought. So I finally got dressed, and now I'm about to go to my stepmom's house. I have to do her hair for her, and then I will be back home, finish cleaning up, and then figure out what else we're gonna do for the rest of the day. I'ma show you how to turn it up a notch. First you get a swimming pool for the liquor, then you dive in it. Pool for the liquor, then you dive in it. Hey dude, hi daddy girl. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? So I'm finally on my way home. It took me a lot longer than I thought it was going to, just because she wanted something else done to her hair that I didn't know I was going to be doing. So that took me literally all day. I went over there at 2 and it's now 7. So yeah, that was a long process, but at least my dad made Sloppy Joes, and that's like one of my favorite meals that he makes. And so I ate those there, and now I'm finally heading home. So I'm ready to go home and play Fortnite. I've been craving Fortnite all day. I'm obsessed. I need to stop, but that's probably about all I'm gonna do for the rest of the day, honestly, is play Fortnite and probably watch some TV maybe, or some just videos on YouTube, because that's literally like all I do. So I will talk to you guys when I get back home. So I finally got done with everything I needed to do. I put away all of those clothes that I had out on the couch. I put a lot of them in a big bag to like let my friends look through and then sell. And then I put the rest of them back in the closet, or threw the rest of them away, the ones that were like not even sellable. And then I ended up going through a couple other bags that I had in my closet that were literally just full of the most random crap, and like they were stuff that I literally just needed to throw away. So I got done with that, and I had to make sure that the basement looked really good because Mama told us that someone's coming to take pictures of the house to put it back up on the market because the first realtor didn't take the greatest pictures of the house, so she hired a professional. So I have to make sure it's super clean when I leave here tomorrow. But I'm super excited to actually play some Fortnite. And I just got the Red Knight skin that was available on Fortnite that came back. That was from like season 2 and it's super rare. And it's so dope. Like, I love her. Yeah, I'm working on getting the Omega and I'm only 2 away. So I'm so excited to get him. Just got 4th place in solos because I ran out of mats, so I literally just had to like sit there and camp because I knew I couldn't fight, and the circle was so tiny, like there was nothing for me to do. So that one's an L. Guys, I'm so excited. Look who I just got. He looks so dope, especially with this shield on his back, which just goes to my other Red Knight skin. But like, hello, that's so cool. I love it. So I was getting so fed up at not being able to get my Omega because I needed to get like 10 kills to get him. And I got such a dope snipe here in like 2 seconds and I was so proud of myself. It's so cool. I was so proud. Ready? Goodbye! Then I got stuck in the storm, so I was trying to run out, and I knew there was like a bunch of people right beside me. So I was like, yeah, I'm probably gonna die right here. And then this guy started shooting at me. But get outplayed, bruh. And then I accidentally killed myself because I only had like 10 health, so I knew I was gonna die of the storm anyways, so. But I was so happy. There's me, sitting right over there in that corner. And that is my trap. Goodbye! So I'm finally done with Fortnite. It's like 12:30 at night, and I should have been at bed like an hour ago, but that's what Fortnite does to you. It makes you stay up late. So I am about to take a shower. And then I need to go to bed because I have a show tomorrow at Cheers to You in Upper with my band. And I have to work all day tomorrow, so I have to get up pretty early. So I'm going to be super tired, but it's okay because I got Omega. And that's all that matters, I guess. So I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I know it was kind of boring. I thought I was going to get to do a lot more, but I got stuck at my stepmom's like pretty much all day. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, and please leave a like and subscribe and let me know what other videos you guys want to see me do.